Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize DocuSign for AI contract review automation. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the DocuSign dashboard. Click on that admin tab located on the top menu. In the admin settings, find and select integrations from the sidebar. Look for the API and keys section. Click on the Create Key button to generate a new API key. Enter a name and description for your key for easy identification. Select the required scopes for your API key. Make sure to enable the necessary permissions for AI contract review. After configuring the settings, click on the Save button. Copy the generated API key for future use. Open your AI contract review platform. In the AI platform, locate the Integrations or Settings section. Find the option to connect with DocuSign. Paste the previously copied API key into the appropriate field. Follow any additional prompts to complete the integration process. Ensure that your AI platform is configured to access the required DocuSign envelopes. Test the connection by initiating a contract review within the AI platform. Verify that documents can be imported from DocuSign. Check that you can send documents for signature from your AI platform back to DocuSign. Monitor the integration for any errors or issues. Review the settings periodically to ensure optimal performance of the integration. Adjust any configurations as necessary to suit your workflow. Your DocuSign authorization for AI contract review automation is now ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.